Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna do unboxing. So I have here the box. So it's not me who bought it, it's my husband. So it will be so exciting what's inside and how it looks like. I know what is it, but I haven't seen the picture. I haven't seen him buying it. Yeah, if you're interested to see what's inside, just keep on watching. We're gonna open it. I hope I'm opening it right. Oh yeah, guys, it's a laptop. Acer. Oh. Oh yeah. There. Oh yeah. Oh, we bought it online in ELKJØP. This is the story why my husband bought a new laptop. When I came to Norway, that was last 2013, I don't have laptop with me. I just have my phone. I bought a new phone here in Norway, and yeah, I just use it. I'm so addicted to K-pop. I'm K-pop fan. I'm a K-drama fan addict. So I was watching movies there in my phone. So my phone got damaged. I used Samsung before, so after that I bought new laptop that was very cheap. It's like 2,500 kroner, and I guess that's the cheapest laptop I bought from Acer. That's maybe 10,500, something like that. So that was very cheap here, and I didn't think about the capacity in it, the ROM. So all I think is just, oh, maybe just can use it to watch movies. So after that, the laptop works very good. Until I started YouTubing, so I edited my videos there, and it's so slow. It's really slow. Like when you search something, it's so loading. Like, oh my god, patience is a virtue talaga sa paggamit ng laptop ko. So I was okay with it. I'm not that person na gadget addict. I have my phone. My husband bought it like 2015. That was iPhone 6s. So naglabasa na yung 7, 8, nandiyan na yung 10. Hindi pa rin ako bumili ng phone kasi I don't like, I'm not so good in giving up things. Like, I can hold it until it get broke. So yeah, that's the same thing with my laptop. I don't want to this, what's that called, na i-dispatcha lang yung gamit na. Now I was really thinking of buying new phone, but I can't give up my phone. I can't, because it still really works fine. Same with my laptop that I have now, I'm using now. It's so slow, but it's still usable. So this one here, yeah. Oh my god, this is so nice. See? There's a paper here. Oh my god. See? Oh, it's really different from my laptop. My laptop is it looks very crappy. It looks plastic, everything here. This one is aluminum already, and it's so shiny. Oh my god. And the screen, oh, it looks so nice. Because I have my laptop like 4 years. And I'm so okay with it. And here it is. Let's see. English.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
What happened
You can
here?
use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon.
It
If
just
you need an
stopped.
assistive screen reader,
I didn't
press the
know
Windows,
about it.
Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Oh my god, right now.
Norwegian is set to the
Why
United
is
States.
this talking?
Is that right?
Oh my god. Region. So Norway. We'll find Norway. To find Norway here. There. Region.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Add layout.
Which language do you want to use for your second keyboard layout?
Norwegian. Because we have different keyboard layout here. So we will see.
I've got that you want to use Norwegian Bokmål, Norway. Is that right?
Yeah. Wait. Yes.
Which keyboard layout do you want to add?
Norwegian Bokmål.
I've got that you want to use Norwegian with Sammy.
Nice.
Is that right?
No.
Next QB, delegatstuff. In short, DOU hadde to akset to busse Windows. DOU CANDC-ene,
The voice really weird.
DOU akset.
It's like English and speaking Norwegian. Herregud. Good talk.
Auleteske TOU connected to a network. Takvai DOU CANG-to-fax. Fax. Han kakvideos har. How about the first on the list? Vant to busse takvas.
Guys, maybe i-off ko na to kasi I will ask my husband how to do it. Because I am so...
Make your computer easier to use. Windows will read and scan this list automatically. Press the spacebar.
Your device manufacturer would like your ACT info to send DOU updates answer.
So guys, tama na to guys. Ayoko na. Hindi ko na kaya to. So, I will wait for it and maybe it will be, I will ask help from my husband how to do it because I don't really know. I can't focus when I'm filming and I'm doing it. So, yeah. So yeah guys, I will just end my video here, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a massive thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bar so you'll get notified every time I upload new videos. So, thank you. Bye.